Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The Hennessey Venom F5, presented here in a breathtaking two-tone gray and black finish, is nothing short of a masterpiece of futuristic automotive engineering. Captured in a modern, bright studio environment, this hypercar showcases a level of design, aggression, and craftsmanship that puts it in a league of its own. Starting with the exterior, the Venom F5 sports an extremely aggressive and aerodynamic wide-body kit that immediately catches the eye. Its low and wide stance hints at its incredible performance capabilities. The bold front grille, sharply cut LED headlights, and integrated LED light strips in the custom bumper create a futuristic and menacing look. Every curve and angle has been sculpted for maximum aerodynamics, ensuring that the Venom F5 slices through the air with minimal resistance. The color scheme is a visual treat, a luxurious blend of matte gray and deep black tones. Under the studio's hyper-realistic lighting, the reflections dance across the bodywork, emphasizing the fine craftsmanship and ultra-premium materials used throughout. This dual-tone paint not only enhances the hypercar's sporty appeal but also highlights its aggressive lines and powerful silhouette. Moving to the side profile, the Venom F5 reveals oversized performance tires wrapped around custom-designed alloy wheels. These wheels are not just about looks, they are built for extreme performance, offering incredible grip and stability even at breathtaking speeds. The low ground clearance and the aggressive side skirts further add to its racing character, while still maintaining an air of luxury and sophistication. At the rear, the design gets even more thrilling. The custom diffuser, bold quad exhaust tips, slim LED taillights, and a sporty rear spoiler all combine to deliver a perfect balance of beauty and functionality. Every rear element speaks to the car's intent: pure speed, pure power, pure dominance. The detailed textures and hyper-realistic reflections in the studio setting bring out every intricate aspect of the car's design. Inside, while not shown explicitly here, the Hennessey Venom F5 is known for its ultra-minimalistic yet high-tech cabin, focusing entirely on the driver. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber dominate the interior, providing both strength and reduced weight, essential for its hyper-performance goals. Overall, this futuristic version of the Hennessey Venom F5, with its custom wide-body modifications, two-tone matte color, and hyper-realistic studio presentation, looks like a vehicle from another world, one designed for those who crave extreme luxury, performance, and innovation. If you enjoyed this detailed review and love seeing such futuristic and powerful car builds, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Auto Critic USA, for more stunning car reviews, modifications, and automotive art.